Hello guys, today is part 3 of my supplement protocols. Now I just want to talk about 2 more things and then that's all the things and supplements and goodies that I take. These aren't like scheduled at all, just kind of how I feel, but they're more like health boosters, especially with the pandemic. So I take echinacea and gold seal. Look these up, you guys. I've been taking them for a while. Anytime I feel like a little under the weather, like, oh my God, starting to feel sick or something in my throat, you take 3 of these if you want 3 times daily. So that's good. And then also I've been doing some reading, and when I was in this health food store the other week, the gentleman was telling me about the standardized elderberry. These are in a gummy form. Again, they taste like candy, really good, but these are gluten-free, gelatin-free as well, but they're just good for immune support. So I really like the elderberry. I've been taking these as well. So that's kind of my supplement regime that Walla has me on. I trust her. She's such a genius and she's so informative. I'm trying to do my best at explaining it to you guys, but again, I'm probably gonna have to leave a bunch of texts for you guys. But I just thought it'd be cool to share with you guys what I take. I've really been into my health lately. I've said in other videos, I just want to get my skin the best and my body the healthiest it can be. So with all those supplements, I know it's a lot to take in, with a good night's sleep and loads and loads of water, you're going to be on your way to your best self, you guys. I have really enjoyed learning about these things. Learning about health, and ultimately that turns into wealth. But quickly, one last thing I swear, I want to talk about the type of water I drink. It's by a brand called Flow. Walla put me on this. Thank you, girl. Love you. It's alkaline spring water, and the best part is it's BPA free, non-PET. And it is 100% recyclable. So this isn't like that bad plastic. So you want to lower the amount of bad things you are ingesting, especially when you're chugging that water. So just showing you everything I take, you guys, minus the iron because I ran out. It should be arriving in the mail today. But just to show you my kind of lineup. And then let's not forget these 2. I hope you learned some things. And like I said, make sure you ask a healthcare provider or a doctor or someone just to make sure before you just start taking these things that I've told you about. It's always smart to inquire and ask first because everyone's body is different and what people need is different. So yeah, I hope you guys learned some things and enjoyed this video, and I'm going to see you later.